going to reconsider the same 10 failures that we considered before, but instead of assuming that fixes are implemented as the failure occur, we now assume that we don't do anything during the test and all fixes are implemented at the end of the test. So what we do, we select now a crew extended model, and the moment we select a crew extended model opens up two new columns, a classification column and a mode or failure mode column. So we go to classification column, and we are left with three options. Option A, no fix, so we don't do anything about that particular failure. Or option B, C, corrected during the test, and option B, D, delayed at the end of the test. So we delay all of these fixes at the end of the test, but we also need to specify the effectiveness factor. It is common belief that a fix will not clear a fault completely, so we can either assign what we consider to be the effectiveness of our solution to the problem, and we can therefore insert all the different values, or we can use an average value. In this case we used an average for all of them of 0.7 or 70% of it. And we click OK. And also we've indicated what failure modes occur. And once we've done that, we can click OK. We can click Calculate, and that generates the parameter of the model. Now a lot more information is presented because we've also got the parameter of the model, the hypothesis that the system will not change, or doesn't change because in fact we postpone all the modification at the end of the test, and additional data that we can discuss it on a specific need. And then we can look at the graphical output. We have the first graph is the cumulative number of failures. This projection is with the assumption of beta equal to 1 because we haven't actually done any modification, we haven't done any improvement to our system. And the second one, it looks instead at the unbiased beta that it's calculating from the model. The other aspect we can look at is the growth potential. So that projects the MTBF as a function of time, and we can see that our projected MTBF stays flat because we don't actually do anything during the test because all the modifications are postponed at the end of the test, and that translates in a jump in the MTBF to a projected MTBF, so from 698 to 1318, and then on the basis of the discovery of failure modes recorded during the test, and that reads therefore the modes of the modes column, it also will give us a projected a growth potential MTBF, and we can extract obviously lots of other information, and we can also extract detailed information from the QCP. And that's it.